It's a 3-step process. It all starts with a plan. We have something in mind, and we want to make it a reality. So we take to the maps and find somewhere to go. We seek adventure. We want to explore. We want to create memories. We want to live. Step 1, find a destination. Whoa, wait a minute. Hold on a second. Let me explain what's happening here. My name is Daniel. This is my friend Cole, aka Noodle. I like to fly airplanes, and he likes to film. We've been best buds for a while now, and we're always looking for new adventures that beat what we did last time. We love camping, and we love flying, so we thought, why not take an airplane and fly it somewhere and camp out for a few nights? Better yet, how about we take 2 airplanes and a bunch of people? So we started looking for somewhere cool to go and settled on a beautiful location along the lost coast of Northern California known as Shulte Cove. That led us to step 2, find some friends. Chilling, waiting for Demetrius to get here. It's pretty busy. Chilling. We wanted to take 2 planes, so we needed another pilot. I called up my friend Demetrius from LA, and he was in. He flew out and got himself checked out in a plane from the local flight school, and then it was time to introduce him to the others. Cole and I wanted to take some of our good old high school friends to experience the trip of a lifetime. We invited a future pilot, Ricky, and a wild Salvadorian named Kenny. Unfortunately, Ricky wasn't able to come with us due to a last-minute change of plans, but he was with us in spirit.
Alright, so tomorrow, we have the plan for 2 o'clock. So we're gonna get there at 1, right?
We gave everyone a little briefing of what was going to happen over the next 3 days, and then took some time to hang out and eat some delicious brownies that my mom made for us. Thanks, Mom. Stoked on tomorrow's journey, we ended the night on a good note and parted ways to get some rest. Anyway, I think that brings us to where we left off. Step 3. Have a good time. We packed up the planes and headed for the Lost Coast. At this point, the excitement was unbearable.
Alright, here we go, Cole. Yeah.
Clear sky, use good working flying planes, nothing holding us back at this point.
We arrived in Shulte Cove to the most beautiful sunset we could ask for. So far, the trip was going perfect. We set up our tent under the wings and hit the sack. We needed our exploration sleep.
What's up, Ross?
Day 2.
Oh.
It's day 2. Beautiful morning, no fog, nothing. We're gonna go explore now. Just set up camp for the night next to the airplanes and go see if we can find somewhere cool to spend the night tonight. How you doing,
True
Frank?
story. She's not lying.
It's hecka nice out here. We just got hecka lucky with the weather. It's awesome.
How's that easy rig?
It's hecka nice, dude.
It's the Sky Coal 3.0.
Yep. Going to the black sand beach. It's like just this long empty beach with nothing on it, and it's all black.
Damn bees.
And it's gonna be sick.
It's gonna be suck, bro. It's gonna be dope. Nothing much, man. I'm just soaking in the weather. Gotta love the scenery. It's just phenomenal. It's just like those picture out. Just go wah, wah. And it's just, it's prime. You had me, man. Yeah. Be the next Omaha. Now if you find yourself falling apart, then I'm sure I could stand the Great Salt Lake.
A shirt and two jackets, and there's a sweat stain. I was going hardcore. Hardened paint, dude.
Grinding every day.
Grinding my whole life. Found a bear cave. Found a bear cave, dude. There's a bear cave right there. Like I'm telling you, dude, you don't want to mess with that. That's a no-no. Don't go there. Oh, you can prevent forest fires looking bear. Oh, Smoky. Oh, Memphis Grizzlies looking bear. The Great Salt Lake. It's time that you can spend. Now he's getting old. That's actually super sick. I'm actually stoked. I never say the word stoked, so when I say the word stoked, it means a lot of stuff. Stoke is just real when he says stoked. Lay sail o'er the heads of coyote. Now if you find yourself falling apart.
After a solid couple hours of exploration, we went back to have lunch. But of course, we weren't done yet.
Bowls. Serving number one. Do you put your sauce in?
Top ramen party.
Oh yeah, put your sauce in, bro.
Following home, we want more. Following home, we all want more. Ever been down, we know we ever
We're gonna be on the beach, just like have a banjo, just fucking.
Just go down to the beach. Freaking. Ding 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 ding.
Got a bear in the background just chilling.
So we were like walking on the beach, found our camping spot. It's like really cool, like little ledge overlooking the ocean. So yeah, we'll camp somewhere right up here.
Home for the next 28 hours.
Yeah. It's gonna be pretty sweet. Go to bed to the sound of the waves.
Hell yeah.
There was just one thing we forgot about. We had a lot of stuff to carry to our new campsite.
I'll fly the plane like right there and land and...
Oh wait, no,
We'll just drop it out of the plane.
I'll just like care package it, guys.
No, dude, we'll make the haul. We can probably try and get a ride with someone. Yeah. I know someone will be cool enough. Someone at the restaurant.
We just have to get it right back though.
And the one person that was cool enough to give us a ride, none other than Shelter Cove local, Nog. With a chopped up Jeep Cherokee and a glorious beard, it had to be him. While Cole and Kenny jumped in and brought all our stuff over, Demetrius and I decided to take the scenic route back. The day was coming to a close, and it was time to make the best of the time we had left. As if it wasn't great enough already.
We're just a million little guys coming right down, turning every good day to rust. I guess we'll just have to
And just like that, it was over. We did what we set out to do. We had fun, we lived, and the good times rolled. You know, our generation seems to be losing creativity. Everyone is going out partying and drinking, and I mean that's great if you think it's fun, but we refuse to accept that kind of lifestyle. Spice it up a little, you know? Go out and have an adventure. Go somewhere you haven't been. Go meet a guy called Nog. It's really not that hard. You just need to get out there. And I can guarantee you, you won't wake up regretting the decisions you made.
On an expedition. 4 chill friends doing the most out here on the coast. Doing the most on the coast. Oh man, dude, that rhymes so good.
Oh, dude, bars.